Wall Street drifts higher. nighttimes.com. Subscribe. Digital home delivery. Log in. Register now. Help. Homepage. Today's paper. Video. Most popular. Edition. US. Global. Search all nighttimes.com. Business day. World. US. New York. Region. Business. Technology. Science. Health. Sports. Opinion. Arts. Style. Travel. Jobs. Real estate. Autos. Global. Deal book. Markets. Economy. Energy. Media. Technology. Personal tech. Small business. Your money. Wall Street drifts higher. By Reuters. Published May 21, 2013. Stocks moved higher on Tuesday, with Home Depot at a record high and buoying the blue chips, while investors awaited congressional testimony from the Federal Reserve Chairman, Dennis Bernanke, in Wednesday. By afternoon, the Standard & Poor's 500 stock index had gained 0.4%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.5% and the Nasdaq Composite was 0.3% higher. The housing market recovery helped Home Depot report higher quarterly sales and earnings, prompting the world's largest home improvement chain to boost its sales outlook for the year. Its shares rose 3% to $79.05 after hitting a record of $79.40. Housing will continue to be a tailwind for stocks and an engine for economic growth in the foreseeable future, according to Jack Deegan, Chief Investment Officer at Harbor Advisory Corporation in Portsmouth, NH. The United States economic calendar is thin and the market will continue to be vulnerable with the S&P and Dow Industrials near record highs. However, the expectation of continuing accommodative monetary policy from the Federal Reserve should continue to lend support to equities. There's not strong enough evidence one way or another to change monetary policy, Mr. Deegan said, adding that with all the support the Fed has given to equities, there are also fundamental reasons driving the market. The small and mid-cap Russell 2000 continued to face technical resistance at the 1,000-point level but was within 2 points of its all-time closing high. Goldman Sachs said in a note to clients dated May 20 that it expected the S&P 500 to be at 1,750 points by the end of the year, a 5% advance from Monday's close, and predicted a 12-month rally to 1,825. The bank's economists forecast above-trend growth in 2014 in the gross domestic product. The Carnival Corporation sharply reduced its full-year earnings outlook for the second time in less than 3 months. The company said it expected lower revenue because it has lowered ticket prices to attract passengers after a string of prominent mishaps. Its United States shares dropped 5.6%. Best Buy, the consumer electronics chain, reported weaker than expected quarterly sales and warned that investments to win back shoppers could squeeze earnings in the near term. Its shares fell 5.1%. Shares of JP Morgan Chase rose 2% on reports that shareholders had defeated a proposal to strip the bank's chairman and chief executive, Jamie Dimon, of his chairman title. Apple's chief executive, Timothy D. Cook, testified before Congress after a Senate report in the company's offshore tax structure said it had kept billions of dollars in profits in Irish subsidiaries to pay little or no taxes to any government. Apple shares fell 0.1%. The medical device maker Medtronic reported a better-than-expected quarterly profit driven by strong international sales and its shares rose 5%. The Euro First 300 index of top European shares ended the trading day up 0.1%, as traders took the uncertainty over central bank stimulus policies as a cue to lock in some of the recent sharp gains. Earlier in the day, Japan's Nikkei share index crept to a 5.5-year high. The yen shed some of Monday's gains after Japan's economy minister said his comments the previous day that the government was satisfied with the level of the currency had been